My 2-minute conviction this week is we've got to avoid and watch out for those change-killing phrases that undo all your good work to bring about new opportunity in your team at work, in your home, in your community. Those phrases like, we've never done it that way, or we've always done it the other way. Or what about this one? If it's not broke, don't fix it. These are change-killing phrases. Or what about the idea that I'm already doing that? When people presume that the change or the initiative that you're bringing is a habit or a behavioural pattern that they've already mastered. We have got to be so cautious of that language, that vocabulary that seems to undermine and cut off at the pass healthy and overdue needed change when people are mistaking it for things that they're already doing, or in fact are resisting it because they do not want to change for progress. And so, team, I would just caution you, here's my 2-minute conviction. Listen carefully for those change-killing phrases. Identify them, call them out for what they are, help people understand that that language is counterproductive, open their hearts and their minds to the possibility that of course there's new or different ways to do things, and if we don't try, we'll never know. Have a great week as you hunt down and eliminate those change-killing phrases. Have a great week.